Top 20 questions asked in mechanical engineering interview. Pure substance. A pure substance is a substance of constant chemical composition throughout the volume of mixture irrespective of phase. Its examples are ice, ice plus water plus steam, gaseous air, etc. Critical point of water. Critical point of water is around 647 Kelvin and triple point of water is around 273.16 Kelvin. That is equal to 0.01 degrees Celsius. Flow measuring device. Some of the flow measuring devices are venturi meter, pitot tube, orifice meter. A venturi meter is a gradually converging diverging device that is used to measure the discharge of a fluid flow. Elasticity. Elasticity is the property of body to recover its original configuration after removal of deforming forces, whereas plasticity is the property of body in which the original configuration is not recovered when the deforming forces are removed. DBT, that is dry bulb temperature. It is the temperature measured by an ordinary thermometer. Second is WBT, that is wet bulb temperature. Wet bulb temperature is the temperature measured by a thermometer whose tip is covered with a wet cloth. And the last is DPT, that is dew point temperature. It is the temperature up to which the air should be cooled so that the water vapor present in the air starts condensing. So what is the unit of refrigeration? Unit of refrigeration is ton. So 1 ton of refrigeration is the rate of heat that can be transferred from melting 1 ton of ice at 0 degrees Celsius to 1 ton of water at 0 degrees Celsius in 24 hours. So 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to 3.5167 kilowatt. Welding. Welding is a process in which a localized permanent joint is produced with or without the application of heat, application of pressure or pressure alone, application of filler material for joining similar or dissimilar materials. So in each and every case, CI engine is always more efficient than SI engine. But if compression ratio, that is R, is given or compression ratio is same, then only SI engine is more efficient than CI engine. Rest in each and every case, always CI engine is always more efficient than SI engine. Ductility. Ductility is the measure of material's ability to undergo significant plastic deformation before rupture or breaking. Next is cavitation. So cavitation, if the minimum pressure is less than vapor pressure, then boiling will start and this leads to formation of bubbles. This whole process is known as cavitation and it is a low pressure phenomena. Third law of thermodynamics. So third law of thermodynamics states that it is impossible to achieve absolute zero temperature in a finite number of process. So what is the difference between a pump and a turbine? A pump is a work absorbing device in which the energy is transferred from rotor to working fluid. But in turbine is basically a mechanical device in which the energy is transferred from a working fluid to a rotor. So what is the difference between drilling and boring? So drilling is a cutting process in which a drill bit is used, that is used to cut a hole of circular cross section in solid materials, whereas boring is just enlarging a pre-existing hole. So what is the difference between manufacturing and production? Manufacturing is basically a process of conversion of raw material into finished products, whereas production is the process of conversion of anything but from input to output. Always output should be there. So the next question is, what is hunting of a governor? Hunting of a governor is excessively fast to and fro motion of sleeves between stoppers. It is extremely tough situation for sensitive governors. Fluid. So what is a fluid? A fluid is a substance that has the ability to flow or deform continuously under the action of shear force. So next question is, what is density? Density represents mass per unit volume. It is the number of molecules present in a given volume. It also represents heaviness of a fluid. So next question is, what is the difference between annealing and normalizing? So first, in annealing and normalizing, the basic process is same. In both of the process, steel is heated to completely austenitic range at the temperature 50 to 100 degrees Celsius, and after that both of them are held at that temperature for uniform austenization. But in annealing, it is cooled in furnace, and in normalizing, it is cooled in open air. The last question is, why water is used as working fluid in Rankine cycle? So basically, water is cheap, it is economical, it is chemically stable, it is non-toxic, non-flammable, etc. All these questions are given in the description box below. So these were the 20 most important questions asked in an interview of mechanical engineering. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section below, or you can go to our Telegram page, that is Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. And if you are satisfied with this video, please subscribe our channel for getting updates like this in future. Thanks a lot.